Kilala mo lahat. Turuan mo na lang si ano ha. Si Makoy. Player.
Kulang kayo? Maglalaro na lang kami. Joke lang. Pwede naman, makalapag kita rito. Basta tayo dito. May problema sa akin. May kulat din. Gusto yung ano. Pang-bumito.
Si Agalpo, Christian W. Johnson, Singarang Crack ng Kagawan. Sa kabila. Sino ba ito?
Ayusin mo yung pag-camera. Putol-putol.
Off-night ah. Wala naman si ano.
Wala.
Si Mark? Oo. Wala. Suspended.
Pero dyan.
Suspended na, di ba? Last week?
Wala, bay sila na.
Wala si ano, Machu. Magapag, sir.
Wala.
Ganash, wala rin yung dito. Ay, wala rin. Nelson. Nelson.
Nelson na lang. Lalaro ba yung... Ay, dapat din naglalaro yung commissioner!
Ano?
Advantage yan. 10 points yan.
Wala si Mark. May mga number.
Ganash, ano ba nga? Ganash, number 67, Ganash. 67, ano ba nga bata?
Ano nangyari? Ilagay mo lang kay ano? Suspend.
Rudy.
Hindi, just kay Rudy. Just kay Rudy.
Hanap ka na ano? Saan ilalagay? Mark.
Oo, si Mark lang. Okay, kaya tayo.
Yeah, next season for sure.
Rebound by Nelson. Pass to Herbie, pass to Josh for 2. Rebound by Hook. Foul. Leslie. Kingston, foul. Patong isa. Isa. Tatapon tayo muna isa.
Doon ka sa tabi ni ano?
Tatapon pangalawa.
Ayun yung call yun. Ay, tama.
Kay Leslie. Singson. Pass to Aiku. Back to Singson. Hesitate for 3. 3-point shot para kay Singson. Grabe pagbagong gising. Nakakaggising ang bagong lolo. Kuya Rudy, pass to Fergie for 2. Sabay rebound by Hook. Sinagawan si Aiku.
2 points na, 2 points din.
2 points na, rebound pa.
Tumalong ka, Nash!
Jackson for break. Sabay rebound by Hook.
Sub!
Steal by Singson. Steal. Ano ba? Out of bounds? Foul. Si Nelson. Pero yung Nash. Pass to
Pinagaw! Si Jerry.
Nash for 2. No play. Rebound by Singson for 3.
Pilin.
Rebound by Aiku.
Bisa mo meron na Diyos.
Susubok. Inigot. Pass to Jackson. Pass to Aiku sa gitna. Pass to Nash. Yung ganda na huwag mong subukan. Nag-ibig lang ito.
Nabitawan.
Kuya Rudy. All the way. Steal by Aiku. Aiku bumababa. Aiku pass to Jackson. Jackson layup for the first time.
Baliktad yung Pectus.
Sub!
Pass to Holmes for 3.
Bisa mo meron. Sub to si Jackson. Jackson, sub! Seron!
Nash goes over. Nash. Pass to Jackson. Pass to Singson. Pass to Nash. Fake. Pop. Kumake.
Oh no?
2 points yan para kay Ganesh. Grabe, yung bubuhan ni Ganesh ah. Talagang tinutupad ko yung pangakap mo ah. Kidut, at saka nyo rin.
Paulo!
2 points yan para kay Kidut. Si Mark siya. Jerry Tigao.
Buti na lang nag-rest ka.
Pass down for Ray. Pangsulay ni Batay Hoops. Fergie, pass to Josh. Josh. 2 points lang para kay Josh. Mark yun ah. Assisted by Fergie. 5-8 ang score. Simpson, pass to Jackson sa ilalim, back to Nash. Nash, susubok na naman, step back, full shot sa play, rebound Simpson. Rebound by Hoops. Steal by Aiku. Aiku for 2. 2 points niya para kay Aiku. Josh. Steal by Derek. Ano na? Okay, kagaba. Derek, pass to Jackson. Hindi na makabalik. Mabigat ng whiskey. Mabigat ng whiskey. Makabalik.
Jackson, tumakbo ka!
Sabayan pa ng ulo ng baboy. Simpson, break, pump. 2 points siya para kay Simpson.
Sabi.
Paso kay Rudy. Rudy step back. 3. Sabulay rebound by Nash.
Pang Wilandra ka lang, Rudy.
Derek. Pass to Simpson. For 2. 2 points yan para kay Simpson. Assisted by Jerry. Kay Kagawa
Pag-risa mo
ng
dyan,
lagay.
Errol. Stretching pa eh.
Kuya Rudy.
Jeric, nandiyan si Errol. Sub. Errol.
Hoops. Bang. Rebound by Nash. Nash. Tinamasik. Nash. 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 Nakalabaw. Paso Jerry Naligaw. Rebound by Kirby. Rebound by Kirby. Kirby pass to Hoops. Steal by Aiko. Steal by Aiko. Pass to Nash. Hindi ka naligaw. Kanya na to. 2 points yan para kay Nash. 30 na pala. 13. Pass to Josh. Josh fake to drive. Rebound by Aiko. Aiko, lipat na buo. Paso Simpson, ibigay back to Aiko. Ganda. Sabi, rebound by Kid Hoops. Nelson. Rebound by Nelson. Josh. Josh all the way. Sabi, rebound by Nash. Nash, nakita si Aiko. Paso Jerry Naligaw. Kinanan. 2 points yan para kay Jerry. Assisted by Aiku. Paso Hoops. Basket ko niyan! Ready sub!
Timeout, Sinas. Timeout.
Timeout. Para ano? Bigat
Ako,
na.
sa'yo na. Ano mabigat? Wala ka nang binubuhat.
Isa lang. Isa lang, uy, bago. Isa lang, uy. Isa nga lang.
Kay 20 ka?
Dalawa yung puti, dalawa yung puti.
Betri mo yung puti. Ano pa nalagay nga eh.
Back to the ball game.
Sabrina ka pa naman. Pero, 3 na ng 3 ha.
First team foul sa last words match. Back to the ball game tayo. Kanina pa. Tayo oras. 12 minutes lang yan.
5 games lang.
Sino kayo?
Apat na laro tayo, nakabal ka naman yung 30. Hindi mo pa.
Bonus throw.
Sino laban niya? Next game pa kayo, di ba?
Bonus throw lang yun, bonus throw.
Bribes.
Rebound by Jerry. Lagay mo kayo unawa. Pass to back. Pass to Leslie. Pass to Jackson. Jackson will drive. Sablay. Rebound by Hoops. Pass to Hoops.
Go, 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 go!
Hoops. Susubok. Spin. Fade. Fade away. Sablay. Rebound by Singson. Pass to Aiku. Pass to Jackson. Back to Aiku. Pass to Singson. Last 53 seconds. Singson will drive. Oh! Jump ball. Bola lang Spartans. Last 30 seconds. Pass to Jerry. Jerry pass to Aiku. Aiku will try. 2-point shot para kay Aiku. Oh, assisted by Rudy. One to step. Supply rebound by Leslie. Leslie all the way. Wait. Half time. Rebound by. And then defense. Pass to Rudy for 3.
Nice! Sayang!
Sige na ba? Takta lang yung Rudy. Wait din ah.
Start na tayo.
Wait lang. Bagoy ko lang.
Yes, si Jeric!
Sige, start tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Pahipo.
Okay. Back to the ball game tayo.
Chill. Yung pa sila gamit. Gamit.
Back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game na.
Last na lang.
Hoy!
Sherman for 3.
Meron kay
Christian. 7-13. Jackson will try.
Anak!
Oh. Same ball tayo. Last touch ang Kuya JJ.
Si Matthew tsaka yung isa
Singson. Pass to Nash. Nash. Titibas. Rebound tayo Nash na naman. Rebound tayo Nash. Foul. 25. 45. Kuya Aquino foul. Kan, usap tayo na usap dalawa.
Nagbabarit.
Paperol, Tico to Jackson for play. Bang! Laglag na yan. Maray Jackson, pasuyo ng ikaw mo. Pumiti ko, may ikaw ka. Sherman for play. Rebound by Aiku. Pass to Jackson. Jackson will play again. Bang! Nagiinig tanga ba? Hindi ka parang ikaw. Assisted by Errol.
Si Errol naman, si Errol!
Jordan. Still by Singson. Singson, easy. 2 points na para kay Singson. Malayo na lamang. Jordan P. Pass to Jason Aquino. Fake. Pass to Aquino again. Good try. Tapos, rebound by Aaron. Aaron. Nagaling ka ng KC. Pass to Aiku. Aiku. Kumakamahal na dyan. Jackson fake. Jackson. Pass to Aaron. Pass to Nash. Nash. Oh! Foul. Who's foul? Who's foul?
Number 5, Pierre Marlon!
Pierre Marlon.
2 free throw para Aiku Nash. Ang lakas. Ang lakas ng pulso. Last throw. Long play pa rin. Rebound. Rebound by Sherman. Pass to Christian. Pass to Aquino. Aquino. Pass to Jordan. Steal by Singson. Singson ang kumari. Singson. Pass to Aiku. Para pa-play. Rebound by Singson. Kick out to Jackson. Jackson to Jordan. Rebound para kay Jackson. Nakakondisyon throw pa. Assisted by Singson. Christian. Pass to Aquino for 2. Sablay. Rebound by Errol. Ang lakas ni Errol. Grabe. Errol. Pass to Singson. Pass to Aiku. Singson. Pass to Errol. Tumuro si Errol. Pass to Singson. Tiga to Jackson. Back to Singson. Nash. Sa ilalim. Nash. Nanakit. Rebound by Marlon. Pass to Sherman. Sherman. Oh, basic move. Rebound by Singson sa kailangan. Pass to Aiku. Aiku. Pass to Jackson. Jackson.
Wala na!
Rebound by Nash. Last touch ang kay JJ. Parang ball. Yung gani, kaya pagkatangan Jackson na. Errol. Pass to Singson. Pass to Nash. Nash kumihit. Supply. Rebound by Christian. 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 Pass to Sherman. Fake. For 3. Ay! Tanda na ingat. Rebound by Errol. Pass to Singson. Singson. Fake. 2 page na para kay Singson. Grabe mong galal Singson. Iba talaga maraming mahaba tulog kahapon ah.
Kompleto tulog.
Pag-kompleto tulog, ganaan mo. So Christian, pass to Magnus. Pass to Aquino sa gitna. Pin. Rebound na Aiku. Hindi makahulog ang Kuya JJ. Singson. Jackson, pass to Nash. Nash, okay? Back to Singson, pass to Errol.
Errol!
Sablay, rebound by Christian. Christian. Pass to Jordan P. Sablay, rebound by Balance Parang. Last touch ang Kuya DJ. Time out. Parang.
Back to the ball game.
Sige, takbuhan nyo na takbuhan!
Ano mo tumatakbo?
Jerry. Pass to Nash. Nash. Back to Aaron. Back to Jerry. Jerry. Pass to Aaron. Aaron for 2. Short. Rebound by Hooks. Pass to Hooks. Hooks back to Fair. Rebound by Aiko. Pass to Aaron. Pass to Jerry. Pass to Cole. Still by Josh. Pass to Hooks. Hooks will try. Hooks. Tiniban. Hooks. Basket lang dyan. Sana kay Hooks. Foul by Aiko.
Ayoko na.
Ano? Naranasan nyo na. Naranasan namin yun eh. Ayun lang ah. Mura lang sa lampas ah. Rebound by Josh. Josh will try. Rebound by Jackson. Jackson di tayo. Jackson. Takay pa. Pass na. Nash, pass to Aaron. Pass to Gary, pass to Aaron. Aaron for Gray. Top line, rebound by Hooks. Ang dami hindi ko lang, nagkukulitin ko. Rebound by Aaron.
Kaya pala yung Joshua, ano?
Aiko, top line, rebound by Hooks. Rebound by Hooks. Rebound by Hooks. Nawala kay Josh. Pass to Aquino. Back to Josh. Josh. Supply na rin rebound by Jerry. Kay Kagawa. Pass to Aaron. Pass to Jerry. Kick out to Jackson. Jackson and Berman. Supply rebound by Sherman. Pass to Sherman. Sherman for 2. Rebound by Aquino. Foul. Foul by Nash. Ang ilang hindi Nash. Nash, second personal foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Hindi, pag commissioner, walang foul.
Sabayo na. Last throw.
Isa lang yun, ano? Easy na yun.
Ino. Last 55 seconds. 55 seconds. 16-30 ang score. In favor of Balance. Pasero sa gitna. Will try. Rebound by Hook. Aquino. Christian. Pass to Sherman. Pass to Ganda. Rebound by Aiko. Last 27 seconds. Aiko for 3. Bam! Label dyan para Aiko. Pass to Sherman. Will try. Short. Rebound by Aiko. Pass to Aaron. Last 11 seconds.
4.
Jerry. Supply rebound by Hook. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala.
Tapar ha.
Muna ako. Wala na.
Oras. 1, 2, 3. 33-16 in favor of Transparent. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Parang pinasaging. Ibang laro tayo ngayong gabi. Kawawa ang committee. Kaming gabi na makakauwi. Change shirt na? Jerry, pass to Errol. Pass to Singson. Singson, sa gitna. Black by hook. Black by hook, pass to Rudy. Rudy will try. Short rebound by Josh. Pass to Kid Hook. Pass to Kirby. Pass to Josh. Nelson B. Kirby for three. Rebound by Singson. Double team. Singson. Pass to Jerry. Pass to Errol. Pass to Nash. Libre. Nash. Wait. Supply rebound by Kid Hook. Nelson. Pass to Rudy. Wide open three. Supply rebound by Jerry. Pass to Errol. Pass to Nash. Pass to Jackson. Jackson for three. Rebound by Kid Hook. Rudy. Pass to Hook sa gitna. Hook. Jackson. Rebound by Jerry. Jerry cross. Jerry. Bumiklik. Short. Rebound by Kirby. Rebound by Kirby. 1 to step. Rebound by Hook. Hook. Ilalim. 2 points para kay Hook. Singson behind the back. Pass to Errol. Pass to Jackson. Pass to Jerry. Jerry. Back to Nash. Oh. Pushing foul para kay Nash.
Sakpan ba eh, sakpan.
Nash, third personal foul. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Deeper, go.
Same ball.
Guys, be patient. Let it settle. Let it feel good.
Ball on Sparang. Last touch ng kay JJ. Singson. Pass to Jerry. Pass to Nash. Nash for two. Supply rebound by Kuya Rudy. Rudy. Pass to Hook. Hook. Sa gitna. Nawala. Ball ng Ransford. Errol, bring down the ball. Next up. Jerry, pass to Jackson. Back to Jerry. Pass to Nash. Pass to Singson. Saved by Singson. Steal by Kid Hook. Wait, ginawa. 2 pa dyan para kay Kid Hook. 33-20 score. Nash.
Up a bit.
Ready sa ba? Both team. Ready sa. Nash. Susubok. Team. Wait. 2 points yan para kay Nash. Grabe patient niya. Ang tagal ng minigos ha. Kirby. Pass to Kirby. Pass to Josh Gitna. Steal by Jerry. Jerry versus Kid Hook. Jerry. Steal by Kid Hook. Pass to Josh. Kirby. Pass to Josh. 2 Assisted by Fergie. 2 points para kay Josh. Pascuero. Nash sa gitna, bubutas. Great. Nash, back to step. Supply, rebound kay Rudy. Rebound kay Rudy. Pass to Fergie. Pass to Hook sa gitna. Kiduk. 2 points assisted by Hook. 2 points kay Kiduk. Assisted by Hook. Ready time out ang Spartan. 35-34. Pass to Derrick. Derrick will try. Supply rebound by Kiduk.
Nice pass.
2 points yan. Assisted Kimono.
Woo!
Si Hooks.
Si Kiduk.
Assisted by Kiduk. 35-26 in favor of Transport. Problema na si Commissioner. Walang pito. Hindi na pituan. Follower nila.
Boring yung game, wala santukan. Gago. Gago puta. Front row pa naman yung binayad ng ticket.
Kaya pala hindi ka umuwi. Hihintay ko pala.
Wala si ano eh, no? Si...
Back to the ball nila tayo.
Wala si Matthew. Sino yung isa pa nila?
Back to the ball
Garlucio.
nila.
Garlucio.
Ball ng Transport. Errol. Pass to Aiko sa ilalim. Post move. Pass to Jackson. Wide open three. Bang! 3 points by Jackson. Rudy. Rudy will drive.
Hey!
Babawi yan! Simpson. Pass to Aiko. Pass to Derrick. 2 points para Derrick. Assisted by Aiko. Pass to Fergie. Pass to Josh. Pass to Fergie. Pass to Rudy. Right on the tray. Supply rebound by Josh McCray. Supply rebound by Aiko. Pass to Simpson. Simpson pass to Jackson. Jackson right on the tray. Supply rebound by Josh.
Tres.
To Rudy. Pass to Marlon. Pass to Rudy. Rudy will try again. Supply shot. Rebound by Simpson. Pass to Jerry. Jerry. Kickos to Jackson. Right on the break. Tapos pa rin. Rebound by Fergie. Fergie. Pass to Josh. Josh. 1 to step. Supply rebound by Aiko. Alawit. Agawan ng tuho. Jackson. Bola. Same ball.
Sub.
Bola ng PDD. Sub tayo. Bola ng PDD. Ganda yung rebound ni Aiko. Ganda yung rebound ni Aiko. Alawit. Pass to Kuya Rudy. Pass to Fergie. Pass to Marlon. Kick out to Rudy. Rudy will try again. Shot. Rebound by Errol. Pass to Simpson. Pass to Jerry. 2 points para Jerry. Assisted by Simpson.
Next out.
Next out.
Wala na, under 1 minute.
Ay, wala na pala.
Under 2 minutes.
Rebound by Nash. Pag under 2 minutes, wala na tayo.
Hoy!
Pass to Josh. Pass to Marlon. Back to Josh. Josh, sa gitna. Sa play, rebound by Errol. Single tayo, single. Okay, same lang, same ball. Pass to Rudy. Rudy ang puset. Pinalin! Foul! Good foul! Aiko! Foul Aiko! Ilan na ito? Dalawa na kay Aiko.
Ben, oras.
Oras natin, 47 seconds lang. Pasok yan para hindi Rudy. Last 30 seconds.
Hey, big man, good. Hey, Noah, you got him, Noah, stay with him. Stay with him.
Simpson, by Robin Gray. Shot. Rebound by Marlon. Last 15 seconds. Marlon. Pass to Rudy. Rudy break. Oh, pinakalan. Ay, shot lang. Rebound by Aiko. Last 8 seconds pa lang. 5, 4. Tupang sa ka na. Wala na oras. Wala na oras. Ganda ng patalon ni Rudy.
Na, last quarter na, wala pa rin action.
Kaya, ano?
Jay, ano?
Yeah.
Fourth quarter na, mga Lodi. Fourth quarter na. Ang matindi namin kalaban. Si Kuya Nico. Kuya Nico na puyat. Back to the ball game.
Matanda lang maglaro ni Nico.
Simpson, man to man, Bashaman, Simpson, good try, ganda ng bagay kay Aiko, assisted by Simpson, 2 points by si Aiko, pass to Aquino, pass to Hook sa gitna, Hook, steal by Jackson, pass to Aaron, steal by Christian will try, bang! Para kay Christian.
Ito may pass dun ah.
Assist yun, no? Assist ni Deno. Steal ka ito. Nash. Pass to Leslie. Minigit ni ko. Soto! Wala na! Hindi mo na kawal bola. Nawala ang ibig man. Yun lang, napalakas ang pasa. Nakakagawa nga ni Germano. Alam mo alam mo lang yun. Nash, gitna. Inipit yung bola. Nash. Paso Aiko. Aiko will try. Bang! Maripin sa naman. Para kay Aiko. Wala.
Nag-dribble eh.
Jordi, pass to Christian will try again. Shot. Rebound by Aiko. Tap and bang! Bang! Maripin sa naman. 52-34, Hook sa gilid. Hook. Foul. Errol. Look at the long B. Sherman for Ray. May yan, Maray Sherman. Assisted. Nash. One-on-one. Nash. Natampal pa. Kuya Sherman. Short. Rebound by Simpson. Cross. Simpson. Foul. foul, Jordan B. 2 free throw para kay Simpson. Pasok ang una. Abay mga rebound by Hoops. Rebound by Hoops. Pass to Christian.
Last quarter na.
Last quarter na. Pass to Jordan. Pass to Aquino. Pasukan para kay Jason Aquino. Foul by Simpson.
Ano ba yan? Last quarter na. Wala pa rin action.
Second foul na Simpson. Ball shot. Bang! Nalap yan. 40-53. Pwede na lamang nyo. Paso Aiku. Paso Errol.
Akala ko may action. Wala pala.
Paso Simpson sa ilalim. Great spin. Pero game 2. Sa rebound by Hoops. Rebound by Hoops. Oh! Still by Aiku. Tumiya para Aiku. 55-40. 15 points ahead. Christian double team, pass to Jordan, pass to Aquino, drop to Sherman, Sherman, reverse. Rebound by Errol, pass to Nash, pass to Aiku, pass to Simpson. Hello, Jerry Vidal, hello. Simpson, lusubaw, pass to Nash.
Madaling iwanan yun. Bigay iniwanan.
Nash, foul.
Ayan na, malapit na. Ayan na, malapit na.
Aquino, second personal foul. Second personal foul.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Nash, pass to Simpson. Pass to Errol. Back to Nash. Nash, pinatawan. Nash, double team. Pass to Jackson. Jackson, wide open here. Bang! Rebound dyan. Nasisip by Nash. Ilagay mo yung athlete. Kung ano mo walang sahot. Okay, pag dinilagay, walang sahot kay Nash. Sherman Solvay. Sabay yung ibang kay Aiku. Foul number. May Christian. Foul kaya Christian.
Oy! Oy, hindi na pwede kasi hindi niya team yan.
Pass to Nash. Pass to Jerry. Pass to Aiku. Aiku, bubutas. Block by Block by Rudy, pass to Josh. Back to Hoops. Foul!
Graduate, Nash! Graduate!
Nash! Fourth personal foul! Sub daw kay Marlon. Sub tayo rin ang sub. Pasok. Mauna pang dramatic kay Marlon. Flash draw. Laglagan. Kick 51. Kick sorry. Aiku. Steal. Di ba ito Errol? Pass to same ball. Pass to Jerry. Good drive. Pass to Nash. Ang pantalawan. Foul. Good foul. 67 Josh. Sub down. Sub.
3 minutes na lang naman.
Pasok dyan. 59-41. Pasok pa rin yan. 60-41. Rudy will drive. Short rebound by Kirby. Pass to Kiduk. Pass to Rudy.
Ba? Yan na jersey.
Pick up to Marlon. Back to Kirby. Nagkita kay George. Tubay dyan. Assisted by Kirby. Grabe yung pain naman ng tindi.
Matindi ka na. Mamili ka ng number mo.
Mamaya tayo ng matindi. Aigo. Pass to Jerry. Jerry Cross. Grabe yung pusobag niya. Laki ng wing pan. Nash, double team. Pass to Aigo. Kailangan steal by Marlon. Marlon. Dusubok Marlon. Ikringot. Tubig yan. Marlon. Jerry. Pass to Aaron. Pass to Nash. Kailangan spin.
Travel!
26. Si Kuya Kirby.
Hindi natin stop eh.
Sige lang.
Pero, poste, pass to Nash. Nash versus Marlon. Nash. Oh! Foul!
Stop mo, may foul. Stop mo, may foul.
Kay Kuya Marlon, foul. Stop mo.
Nandiyan sana si Mark, maganda kay Nash.
Hindi natin stop na ako.
Maubos yan sa free throw eh.
Pasok mo na.
Yeah.
Six below 45. Pass to Kirby. Perimeter shot. Rebound by Aiku. Pass to Errol. Pass to Jackson. Jackson Bay. Steal by Josh. Pass to Kirby. One to step. Basket down. Who's foul? Aiku. Kuya Aiku foul. Aiku. Panginoon mo na. Third personal foul. 14 foul. Winding for penalty. Sparan. Short. Rebound by Aiku. Aiku. Last 47 seconds. Jerry, ipadali. Pass to Jackson. Jackson for Jerry. Bang! 3 points na naman. 65. Josh. One to step. Sa Jerry Banday Kiduk. Pass to Kirby. Kirby fake. Rebound by Jackson. Nakrebound ng Jackson. Pass to Nash. Nash, press. Nash. Step back. Pass to Jackson. For 3. Sa tulay. Hindi ko lang pala yung oras ha.
One. Jello, dito ka. Uwi na nga rin ako eh. Ayoko dyan.
Wala bang ano? Walang committee.
Kali sa limbo. Nag-init din.
Ano ba meron na mo?
Kulang daw sila sa kabila. Sila, Derek.
Ha?
Kulang daw sila Jerry. Sali din ako.
O sige. Ikaw naman.
Ikaw naman. Sab naman.